Snow season volume 2. See, ain't no cars walking down the major street, y'all. Everybody's stuck. You done.
Look at all the people walking the street. They turn around.
We are the cars. We are the cars. People have taken over.
There go police right there. They want the flashing lights. Ain't that police?
They finna pull over a pedestrian walking in the middle.
Please stay out of the street.
This is the state of terrorism. Oh, shit. Somebody barbecuing smell like.
I like it. Smells good.
Also, let's stack a little.
Damn, now that's up there. Look at that, that's up there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That shit high. Somebody gonna drown in this. Straight up. Snow season volume 2. We out.